The night started like any other. Dinner, laughter, bedtime stories, then everything went dark. No flashlight, no backup power, no clue how long it'd last. I wrapped my kids in every blanket I could find and stared at the ceiling, wide awake, wondering what I'd do if this got worse. It wasn't the end of the world, but it was the moment I realized I was completely unprepared. I couldn't feed them, I couldn't warm them. That broke me. That's when I found a whole community of people who weren't paranoid, just prepared. They didn't wait for disaster, they met it head on. I decided I'd never feel that helpless again. I didn't need a bunker, I needed a plan, a simple kit, some knowledge, and gear I could trust. I got everything from one place, always be ready, USA.com. Now it's something we do together, not out of fear, but out of love. My kids know where their go bags are, my wife knows how to use the gear, we're ready, not scared. It happened again, but this time, we were calm, ready, safe. Prepping isn't panic, it's peace of mind. It's protecting the people you love, even when the world gets unpredictable. You don't have to do it alone. I didn't. Start with one bag, one light, one plan, and grow from there. Always be ready. USA helped me get ready. Now I want the same for you. Visit alwaysbereadyusa.com. Gear you can count on when it counts. Start your prep today, even if it's just one step.